In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from LinkedIn seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to save a tutorial, a thought-provoking presentation, or just a memorable moment shared by a colleague, downloading videos from LinkedIn can be quite handy. So, let's jump right into it and break down the process step by step. First things first, we need to find the video you want to download. Head over to LinkedIn and locate the post containing the video. Once you've found the post, look to the upper right corner where you'll see three dots, also known as the Options menu. Clicking on these dots will unfold a small menu of options. From here, select Copy Link to Post. This step will copy the URL of the video post to your clipboard, ensuring you're ready for the next phase. With that URL in hand, it's time to move on to selecting a downloading tool. One reliable option available for downloading LinkedIn videos is Publer. Publer offers a free online LinkedIn video downloader that supports high-definition video downloads. It's a convenient tool because it doesn't impose annoying advertisements or watermark your downloaded videos, ensuring you get clean, quality downloads every time. Moving along, once you have Publer or your chosen downloader open, you'll see an input field where you can paste the URL you copied earlier. Go ahead and paste it there. If you're using a device like a desktop, you might just need to use a simple right-click and paste or press Ctrl+V to get the URL in there. Once the URL is in place, find the download button. It's usually prominently displayed, and click it. Now comes the processing part. The tool will take a short moment to process the URL you provided, generating a download link for your video. It shouldn't take too long, but patience is key here. Once that download link appears, you're almost at the finish line. Click on the download link, and the video will automatically begin saving to your device. And there you have it. The video is now stored safely on your device for you to view anytime you like, without needing to be connected to LinkedIn. This is particularly useful if you're planning to watch the video offline, or you simply want to have it archived for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily manage and download content from LinkedIn without hassle. Remember, always respect intellectual property and only download videos for personal use or if you have permission to do so. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading!